Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play through, only cause you set up the angle. Web that you weave got us tangled, caught in what's before our eyes. Show off your fantasy reality, whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine.
Halo kawanku semua, kali ini saya membuat tutorial cara gunting rambut gondrong. Ini rambutnya udah panjang, udah setahun setengah gak gunting, panjang seperti ini. Sekarang minta dipendekin. Minta model pendek rapi. Potong langsung caping atas caping seperti ini ya, supaya tidak kaku.
15 seconds of fame, it's your time. Give me the messy, give me the pain. A rose will not grow without the rain. I wanna be someone who says there's more than meets the eye. Show off your fantasy reality, whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now.
Setelah kita caping, kita pakai nomor 8 karena ini masnya kepalanya kan kecil, jadi rambutnya nggak boleh terlalu pendek. Kalau kepalanya kecil, rambutnya terlalu pendek, jadi kepalanya kelihatannya jadi kecil. Jadi kita bikin sedang aja modelnya. Kemudian bagian bawah rambut kita gunakan nomor 4.
Capture your body, get your best side, breathe in the world, fake us a smile, walk in the lines, fine, but I hope one day you'll break through. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life.
Lepas sepatu clippernya, kita buang anak-anak rambutnya.
Deep within, here we go. Somehow I'm caught in the middle. Is this the end before we've even begun? Should I work against the flow? A drop in the ocean so endless, reaching for our moments miles above. I just need one. Diving in to all this endless space.
Buka pipitan. Untuk bagian atas jangan terlalu pendek.
Hold my breath, looking up. Life moves in waves that keeps changing. Catch a glimpse of what was you and me. It's gone again.
semprot dulu pakai air supaya lebih gampang menatanya. Kita ikuti sesuai mau stylenya seperti apa. Masnya minta model samping.
You're still mine. Diving in to all this endless space. Falling stars, but still I see you. A sweet escape, a lovely start, but letting go's the hardest part. Swimming in this deep, deep blue. I know I'm floating on this dream, but soon comes morning. For now I'll embrace our wondrous sea. Diving in to all this endless space. Falling stars, but still I see you. Sweet escape, a lovely start, but letting go's the hardest part. Swimming in this deep.
Kalau ada sisa-sisa rambut yang atas tadi kita buang pakai caping supaya tidak kaku dan nggak kependekan.
I sound really fine. 아무렇지 않은 척 아무도 모르게 조심하는데 또 티가 났나 봐. Sound really fine. 너와 함께 했었던 시간이 길었어. 나 봐, 난 네 옷을 또 보고 있어. Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. I can't control.
Ini hasilnya ya. Kalau masih ada yang tebel atau masih ada yang tebel di sini, bersihkan lagi pakai caping seperti ini supaya tidak kaku.
잊었다 생각했는데 추억이 잠시 널 떠올린 거야. Still really fine. Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. I can't control. Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. I miss you, baby. Yeah, yeah, yeah. 너무 어려워. 항상 이별은 쉽지 않아. 수요일 밤이 기억나. 말 없이 걸었었던
ya hasilnya ya. Jadi dia nggak terlalu pendek, rapi. Buat kawan-kawan jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan komennya ya. Terima kasih.